Hey guys, it's theKoolAid man here. So today I remembered a question that I was asked in my trigonometry test, and it was a big section of my final exam. So I think it's a pretty cool question. It's a good thinking question. Basically, you'll be given an equation, or in a word problem, you'll hint an equation that you should probably get, and then it'll ask you to find the x values for when y is greater than a certain point. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You can imagine, without even using numbers, it'd probably be somewhere around here if y has to be greater than 27, which is our value that we're using. So it'll be an interval, of course. I already got started here, so you want to replace or substitute y for 27. Then you want to bring the 10 over, so it'll give you 17. You want to divide that by negative 20, so you should get negative 17 over 20. Then you'll get cos pi over 6 x. Now here's the cool part. You can actually substitute pi over 6x for theta, right? So we'll write a let statement, pi over 6x equal theta. So now this is what it'll look like. And this looks, this should look very familiar to you guys, because now we just gotta go ahead and solve this like we regularly would. And as you can probably imagine and tell by this, there will be two values that you will get out of this, and they will both be on this side because of the CAST rule. C-A-S-T, right? So now you want to find your relative acute angle, and I'm not going to go over how to do that. I'm assuming you guys know. 17 over 20, you can ignore the negative, find that. So the relative acute angle is 0.5548. I'll just say like 0.555. Right, and since it's here, we want to find pi minus 0.555. which will give us 2.58. And I'll say 2.587. Or, yeah, sorry, that looks kind of ugly. Or it will be pi plus 0.555, which gives us 3.967. Right, so that's what theta is supposed to equal. Now we gotta convert that into an actual x value, right? So our period, I should have mentioned this earlier, our period is 12 because of our k value, right? So when you convert this to an x value, we said that pi over 6x is equal to theta. So now I'll write down here 2.587 is equal to pi 6x. So you can just use algebra to figure that out. I'll do that right now for you guys. Times 6 divided by pi. So it'll be approximately 4.94. And then you can do that with the other value. And this one is approximately 7.576. It's equal to x. I should have done that the other way. But then I guess you can make a therefore statement, right? Now, you can just tell that it has to be in between this value and this value is shorter, right? So your inequality can be, well, x must be greater than that but less than that. And basically, to know what it's like for the other periods, all you have to do is just add each of these values by a period and you should be good. So this is your answer. X must be in between 4.94 and 7.576. So